Hi everyone! Congratulations on completing the 5-video beginner series for the ukulele for children. If you made it through all 5 videos, that's a pretty big accomplishment. And here's the good news. By playing through all those videos, you have just kickstarted your skills by practicing some of the most important techniques for the ukulele. Now that you've finished this beginner series, you may be wondering, what should I do next? I have a few options for you. The first thing you can do is to log onto my website, caseysmusicmethod.com, and to check out the books section. Here you can find 2 books that I've written for children called Casey's Ukulele Method for Kids and Ukulele Jams for Kids. Both books are a great option for continuing your learning. They are available in print on Amazon and for digital download. I also have a free resource called Ukulele Chord Jams that you can download. I will post a link for that in the description below. Besides that, another great option is to find a private music teacher and enroll in music lessons. Well, it just so happens that I also teach music lessons. If you are interested in taking virtual lessons, click this link to find out more information. The last option I have for you is to continue to watch this channel, as I will be creating more and more content weekly. Thank you so much! It makes me so happy that you are learning to play the ukulele. Learning to play music is a gift that we can share with each other. Please leave a comment below if you found this ukulele series for children to be helpful for you. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon!